to the next side. So we're on to the back side. The reason why we do videos, you can see like up in that corner there, the screen's already been ripped out, and a customer wanted us to make sure we get that screen. He's a smoker, and he wants to make sure to try to get all some of that tar off there. And I think it's obviously the mold from the screening of the tree. So let's get this side started and go on to the next. So let's rinse. So this side's finished. Let's move on to the front and a little bit of the side and call it a day. So this side here is going to be a little kind of tough to film because the sun is just directly right in front of us. Couldn't really get the whole house with, or the whole side with being such a close to the neighbors. So let's get this side done. There's a little bit of it front. We'll hit that back screen again, and then we will be finished. Soap is turned on. So this house is finished. Time to wrap everything up, go on to the next job. But this is DJ with Liberty Power Wash, and we'll see you in our next video.